Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide likes on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide likes on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and before we proceed guys, do make sure to log into your account. And after opening your Instagram app, over here at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a profile picture icon at the bottom right. Tap on over there, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon. Tap on over there and scroll down until you can find the likes and share counts under the category what you see. Tap on like and share counts guys, and if you have hidden your likes and share counts, the toggle icon will be blue just as mine. Now in order to unhide your like on Instagram, simply tap on the toggle icon and it return gray and your likes on Instagram will be unhidden. And guys, this is how to unhide likes on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.